You want to stop the music? Okay, continue. You want to stop the music? What? No energy? Energy kalas wa? Come on, no.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I hope you had a great party, a great celebration. Thank you very much for attending this event and making it a happening one. This is a sign-off last song from our DJ Bosco here today. Thank you, people. If you haven't had your lunch as yet, the buffet is still open. I guess the bar is still open.
Bye, cover.
Enjoy. Thank you.